work in horizontal rain
and shiver in the cold.
If you ever see me talking to a sailor, and I blindly stand there passing time of day, well, don't you hesitate to think someone's tampered with your drink, and he's shaking out your handbag in the time it takes to blink. Just call the funny farm to carry me away.
When we attack